I figure if you're gonna do something, you might as well do it well. But if you can't, hey, you just go fishing. Good morning, everybody. We've got a special treat for you today. I'm taking my brother out here with me fishing. He's the guy that's responsible for getting me into fishing back in the day. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be here doing this channel. I hope we can get some good content, catch a few fish, and have a good time. These are the dog days of summer, so I don't expect the bite to be heavy, but maybe we can get something. Let's try to get surprised. The sun ain't out yet, Joe. Let's just fish here for a minute.
I'll sit over here a little bit.
You ain't gonna be in my way. Well, then it don't matter where you're at, does it? If you hit me, it ain't no big deal. Just call Iceberg. There's that sun coming out. Now? Jesus. God. I think they're racing. What the hell are you trying to do to me?
That's a skipjack.
Joe? Don't you hook me.
No. No, it was far enough away from me. It just tapped for me. This will be the one I land Moby Dick.
I hope so. I just hope it's not a 170 pounder. Did you hear that? That was the Big Lock Feetness.
Big Rock Feetness.
Yeah, I'm glad somebody else heard that. I'm glad we're on the other side of that rock wall. Iceberg ahead.
Go find where the Big Rock Feetness is.
Well, he's here. What a cast. I know, if only there was a fish like I thought there would be. I think I might put this jackhammer up and get that bandito bug out and see if I can get anything with it. There we go. There we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. There we go. Little bitty guy, but he's a fish. We ain't getting skunked today. Yeah. What do you think? Say hey to the people at home on TV. All right. Get back in there. See you, buddy. Dude, did you see that? Do you see that ripple in the water? That was a whale. Hey, I like you being up there because if you fall out of your kayak, I'll get it on TV. see if his jackhammer can catch something today. I'm gonna put me in a pinch of Copenhagen and take me a sip of Snapple, and I'm gonna catch a big old monster over here, Joe Burt. Come on, baby. There it is. There it is. Woo-hoo. Boy. Well. She ain't a monster, but dang it, she's a keeper. There you go, boy. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty fish. Pretty fish. All right. It's getting narrow. I'm wondering if this whole thing don't go into a shell bank. By catching the fish, baby. Oh. Man.
What happens when you cross over to my side and catch my fish? It said you're not Joe.
I kind of feel like that was another catfish. Like that one had some girth to it. Either that or it was about to be my personal best. Or there's always option C. There's a monster, bro. Monster's gotta eat, Joe. Tell me, what does that sound like?
It's big like eating.
That don't sound like no damn dog to me, unless he turned into a horse just now. Oh, man, that was a perfect cast. I thought maybe I suck at fishing. He sucks at fishing more though. You're doing great, Joe. You remember how cool it was whenever I said I was gonna go over there and catch that monster, and then I did it? Do you remember whenever I said that I was gonna go over there and catch that modest 2-pounder, because I don't exaggerate, and then I did it? Where all the fishies be? No, you're good. You're gonna be good over there.
I think you missed the Joe.
What? Oh. You wanna go? All right, anybody that knows me and my brother knows we gotta race absolutely everything. And I guess man-powered boats are no exception. So I guess on go. I feel like I can't paddle, the camera's in my way. Sorry guys, the footage is gonna suck. There. All right, now we go. You're going down now, Joe Bert. Get! There's our workout for the week. Oh, now I'm hot.
Well, the thing about it is, I got caught in something over there and pulled me towards the bank.
Oh, God, excuses. Excuses.
Oh, no.
Oh.
I in a straight line.
Oh. Oh,
That's why our gap got as big as
I think Joe missed a gear, guys. I think Joe missed a gear.
Oh, shit. Sorry, bro.
Oh.
Sorry, bro.
You good? Damn it. Oh.
Oh, that was your anchor?
Yeah.
Have you been dragging that thing the whole time?
No, just since you tried to knock me over.
Knock me over.
That wasn't exciting. Yo. Yeah. Ass. The video will show that I was ambushed. Current's getting me. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. I appreciate y'all coming out. Special thanks to my brother for coming out here with me. Sure enjoyed it. Till next time, guys, get out there and go fishing. See you.